Hello guys, this is Tulani Mgenge from Ngabane's Pig Farming Legacy. You're watching Inside Bombela, the positive podcast.
Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Inside the Mombella Goes Mobile. As you can see, different settings, so that means the boys are back in town. Which town? Let me let you know. We're chilling in Ngomazi today. We're here to see Tulani, who's gonna tell us all about his piggery. So, my guy, I'm not the star of the show. You are. Introduce yourself to my people.
Greetings guys, my name is Tulani, the owner of Ngabane's Pig Farming Legacy, aka Slow Poison in Komazi.
I find it crazy. Maybe it's only me. A guy whose nickname is Slow Poison sells meat for a living. How does that work?
This nickname is just a name that I got from my peers from my campus.
Yeah.
So when I was at school, some of my friends used to call me Slow Poison, so I just adopted the name, and then I liked it because it made me feel good whenever I go. People were able to see me, were able to call me whenever they want to see Slow Poison. I'm the only one Slow Poison at the campus, so I was just famous as like that.
Slow posing. So boy, I don't know. I don't want to dwell too much on your name, but any idea go to Velele Baltata like in terms of what was the inspiration behind it?
Ah, I cannot really tell where does the name come from.
Come from,
Yeah, they just name it Slow Poison, so I just adopted the name.
and it fits Velenje. It just clicked. Ngoba mna-
Yeah,
ngiyakuthola
it
bona.
did.
Okay, no Tulani. Sounds like you had a normal black childhood. You already got the bad nickname out of the way. So, tell us more. Like, who is Tulani? Like Ukelesefar,
Okay.
all that. Yeah, like, let us in.
Okay, Thulani umjida nje lohlala eKasi enasi kaMachakeza. Ugeleze lapha eMgubho Combined School khona la kaMachakeza wakompletha matric wakhe nge-2018. Nakasuka lapho vele wavaya waya college eHlanzeni eMthimba campus where ngila ngende khona i-primary agriculture. I-primary agriculture is a mixture of both animal and plant production. So mina ngibe ne-interest nje mangifika lapha eMthimba ngafunza nje ngabona ukuthi hayi yabona silwana ngesithanda and sifa sikhulu yabo. All in all ngachoose any pig because laphana sibhizi ngetingulube nje serious kakhulu tilwane nje tiningi kahle timbudi tinkomo netinkomo nako konke nje kukhona lapha. So kube lula kimi ukuthi ngichoose ukuthi okay which one is the best or which one can fit me mangabe ngibhizi ngalelo uyabo. So mangibuka ngayenza i-research based on pig farming yabo ngabona ukuthi i-pig farming ine profit lekhulu and it's very much productive when it comes ku production yakhona because if imagine or if ungabuka kahle if ungayadi lento mina ngakutshela ukuthi ingulube le-1 mangabe isacala possible ngakunika 10 to 15 mayiphinza ngabe kunike 20 and above yabo kuyangeke ukuthi wena sandla sakho singakanani maye mina so shothi kahle kahle mangicala le farming yami it was 2021 August yabo ngacala ngatrade ingulube nje ngithe khona ngale eMthimba agibela la itaxi na sport ngafika nato la eNasi yabo. So kwaba mnanzi vele nje kahle kahle mara ngaba nenhlanda ngoba bo driver babe nenkingi ukuthi ngigibele ingulube tami like nambe ngicala ukugibela ingulube etaxini like wow driver uvumile azisho. Ngafika nato la ekhaya lithi nje mangifika lana mind you angaplani lutho ukuthi kune structure sato
Yeah.
kudla and stuff but I know ukuthi tidla yini yakubona
Yeah.
just ukuthi vele ngoba ngifika nato late ebusukunyana nje ngabo 6.
Yeah.
So mangifika lana ngathiwa ukuthi ngibona iplan ngangena eYosef Shoprite khona la
Yeah, ngiyayibona vele.
yabo athenga ama instant porridge athenga nelibisi because they were still
They were still young
yeah
then.
they were still young yabona they were almost about 3 weeks
Okay.
yabo. So I had to feed them instant porridge ne fresh milk.
Yeah, like
Yabo.
babies, man.
Yeah, so after that, after a week, nga-relax ngathi hayi manje kufuna ngihlanganise structure yabo.
Yeah.
Khona la ekhaya ngathi ingcono ngishayana kwe-structure nje lokuncanyana ukuthi i-TV ihlala pha for time being yabo.
Yeah.
Then after that aplanisa grand ngathi ish ngcono kahle kahle ngibona indzawo so khona kamagogo ngala emafambisi yabo. Ngathi ish ngcono ngiyochecka ngala ngoba ngidifika ngala kuse-town kakhulu yabona.
Yeah.
So ngathi ngcono ngiyochecka ngala emafambisi ngamagogo. Ngangifela ngathi wathi space isikhona ngafika ngashaya le-structure nje within 3 days saba sesiphelile. Shala vele ngiyi-1 anginankinga.
Okay.
Yabo. Ngafaka leti ngulube laphana mangisola laphana athenga lisaka leti ngulube lekudla.
Yeah, pig go.
Yeah, pig grower.
Yeah.
Yeah, yabona. Because lapha kudla khona is classified into different ways
Yes.
or different names because kuya ngokuthi le ingakanani le ingakanani
I know,
yabo.
I
So
know.
athenga le pig grower because they were ready they were able to eat already le pig grower. Athengela bese ajika esikoleni. Forgetting to tell ukuthi where did I get the money to start the business kahle kahle. It was my savings from NSFAS kahle kahle. Yabo. Yeah, I used my NSFAS allowances to actually buy the pigs.
So you didn't go to Coyote like everybody else?
No.
Okay.
Yabo. So ngimane ngathi angcono sebenzele imali NSFAS thenga ingulube ngithenga nekudla yabo. So into lengijabulisile ukuthi at least mangiyenda le project ngaba ne support from both sides esikoleni nasekhaya. Yakubona. So if I can say shout out to Gogo Hloyi, who's my mom. Yabo.
Okay.
Always supportive, that one. Yabo. Even Gogo naye always supportive. Yabo. When it comes to caring of the animals. Yabo.
Yeah.
So konke nje kube lula ngalendlela ukuthi at least supporting ithole both sides.
Yes.
Yabo. If ever bengatholi both sides le support, I think benge ngikhona because benga full time like ekhaya most of the time ngisuka ngisesikoleni.
Usesikoleni.
So mina I used to send in imali ukuthi bathenge inekudla kweleti ngulube. So in terms of ma vaccination programs akuzange kube inkinga because since ngende research nasesikoleni ngibhizi ngayo ingulube, I know ukuthi what's needed for them to be healthy yabona.
Yeah.
In terms of iron ma Virbac injection konke nje lokho nje yakubona. Kunemijova khona nje le ukuthi isebenzela ukuthi nangabe ine iron deficiency uyayijova mala ngabe inenkinga ema roundworms.
Yeah.
Yabo, because ma roundworms I decrease any growth ne body conformation yabo.
Because really they feed on what the pigs eat.
Yeah,
Really.
yabo. But usually mina ngizange ngifuna ukuthi ingulube tami tidle everything le ditholako. Because ngibe ngifuna ukuthi kube ne production le high, high quality of meat carcass.
Yes.
Yabona. So ngabona ukuthi okay kungcono ukuthi ngithengele vele ukudla vele ngisacrifice vele ukuthi esikoleni ngamane vele ngidle macaroni ne spaghetti nako konke naloko konje lokhu khona ukuthi ngisurvive ingulube nathi khona ukukhula kahle. So kwabalula njalo.
So okay, Thulan, I think firstly thanks to Gogo Hloyi vele for hosting us today.
Yeah.
In us like and you know what, I don't know ukuthi vele sithandazo lonjani, but it's actually quite cool by nas standards namuhla. Kunomoya kupholile boy. I've been here vele nje with aircon busted. Yes sis. Yes sis. But that's another story. So no siyabonga. I know you're looking out, my man.
Yeah.
Dude, so all of your peers, your friends, your exes, your whatever, but spend their money on alcohol and whatever. So when had the idea to go into a business at the age of what, 2021?
I was 2021. I was 24.
No, but
24, 25.
no, but what I'm saying is that everybody else abuge nice time, you know, like happiness right now, you know, popping bottles, you know, Billy go marrying, whatever, all that nonsense. Anyway, now you decided, hasn't mina kill that noise. Mina ngifuna ukuchuna 1, 2, and 3, and you chose pigs. Why pigs? Why not the rabbits? Why not snakes?
Okay. Ngiyabonga for the question yakho kahle kahle. It's interesting. If I can check, in terms of business, you firstly need to check the demand.
Yeah.
Because there's demand and supply.
Yes, sir.
That's agribusiness.
I'm in salon.
Yabona. So you need to first check the demand of what you want to sell to your customers or to the targets. Yabona. So angeke kumane uthi mina ngifuna kufuya ma rabbits or ngifuna kufuya timbuti, yabona. I know
ungana market
yeah, ungana market, yabona.
Yeah.
You need to have a market for that particular product.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah.
That's where you did market research. Yabona. When you do market research, whereby you find out ukuthi yini le shotako la
Yeah.
egas, yabona,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
which one can actually make money for me.
Yes.
Ngendlela le right ukuthi okay batosheshe bayithenga nangabe ngibhiza ngayo, yabona.
Facts.
So ngathi mina mangichecka ngabona ukuthi okay yabona ingulube most bakhona laba farmer tingulube la around, but abanayo information regarding i-marketing strategy, i-market, yakubona.
It's like abakayi cabangi all the way.
Yeah, they actually use indigenous way of farming.
Yeah.
Yakbo. So asithi nginamakhelwane la side ufama tingulube, yabo. Ngimi ngidokwazi ukuthi makhelwane ufama tingulube laba baya ngeke bakwazi ufama tingulube. Angeke bakwazi ukuthi ufama tingulube. But mina I go beyond that, yabo, because I have a good marketing strategy whereby I use in Facebook, YouTube. I also registered in business yami, yabona. It's online, even I check ku Google, it's available there. So kuba lula njalo ukuthi at least people can be able to reach what I'm actually selling, yabona. So mang compare vele le modern way lengisebenzisako compared to the indigenous way yami isebenza better because ngiyababhitha labantu. It's easier for me ukuthi ngithola ama customer lula, yabona. Angeke ukuthi wena hey manje lapha nakuthengiswa ingulube, yabona. Automatically ngifonela abantu labangabadi, mind you. I'm reaching people who I don't even know,
but bona they know you,
they know me because of the marketing strategy lengisebenzisako lapha ku Facebook and YouTube.
Thulani, as you know, Velenje, there's subsistence farming and there's commercial farming. At the moment, we can call you a subsistence farmer. Do you want to stay there forever, or Velenje, you'd love to sell 1,000 pigs a week one day?
Actually, if you I cannot start something lengifuna kuyibona ngakhuli, yakubona. I want to see myself growing into this business, I have sub businesses kuyona le business, yabo, whereby I'm gonna have maybe my butcheries, yabo, and I actually maybe make my own production, maybe in terms of meat, mince meat, marashen.
Somehow you process your own things, yeah.
Okay. So I'm not only thinking for today, yabo.
Yes.
My mind is beyond.
Okay.
Yabo, it's beyond that. So ngifuna make sure ukuthi kusasa ngiba ku brand, kuba ne brand site lo toyithola maybe Pick n Pay ibhaliwe Ngcabane Pig Farming, yabo. Shoprite njalo, yakubona. So kuba lula njalo because in fact ibona ngilapho and ngicreate ama job opportunities to our young sisters and brothers laba, because bakhona bayeka tikolo vele bangabi ne way forward kuya phambili, yabona. So lapho nami ndoba ngine good impact ku community yami, yabo, nangabe ngicreate in lama job opportunities, and angeke ngicreate ama job opportunities nangabe I company yami iku under subsistence farming.
Yeah, that's true.
Yabo. Usually vele kufuna ibe commercial
growth.
Yeah, kube growth, yabona. So vele nje ngifuna ukuthi at least ingakhula, yabo. Mayikhula.
Yes.
Mayikhula ngikhona ukuthi at least ngisupply ma butcheries lamanye, even myself ngibe ne butchery yami.
Yes.
Yabo. So to say ngitholile market, yabo, whereby I can supply lama pigs in Hazyview. Not Hazyview, Akhonuk.
Yeah.
Roots.
Yeah.
So the reason why ngipose ngayo le offer leyo, it's because of the demand, since ngishilo sekune demand.
Okay, so you cannot meet the demand at the moment.
Yes, at the moment I cannot meet the demand.
For interest sake, my guy, but bafuna, how many pigs and how many can you supply at the moment?
Those people, they require starting from 28 upwards.
A week, a month?
A month.
Okay.
So at the moment, because I'm still under subsistence farming, I cannot be able to supply that number.
What's the most you can actually produce in a month so far, currently?
Currently, I can say ngendlela tingulube tami tikhula ngakhona, because ingulube yami it takes about 3 to 4 months ukuthi be ready for yabo idliwe
Yes.
yabo. So kudependa ngeproduction yengulube yami ukuthi inginike ngayiphi ingulube. Sethi maybe njengoba nyalo ngina 4 ema-females yabo. Lama-females nangabe aku paturation or aku gestation period
Process.
yabona. After birth ngiyobona ukuthi maybe inginika maybe 15 20 30 yakubona. So it will depend ukuthi kule number ya 30 ngiyokhona keep ngaki, because I cannot be able to supply yonke le number because I'm farming ku environment engihlala kuyo
Yes.
yabo. Even nabo labanye ngihlala nabo they need inyama.
Yes.
Bafuna kudla phela ngifuye bese siyasuka yahamba yabo. Ngova buhlungu nawo phela nangabe ukuthi sengilema phambi kwakho nawo sobona truck itothwala yahamba. Ungaba nomona vele yabo. Ekugcineni ngogcina ukuthi fork lona udlala ngapha yabo.
Wait, Thulani, how did you access oats? Well, what process did you follow to access oats?
Oh, laphana nginemngane naye he's a young farmer yena actually ubusy ngema vegetables. His name is Tayeto Tsebogo.
Okay.
Wase Akhonoko.
Yeah.
Yabo, that guy ubusy naye une market wakhe whereby supply lama veg wakhe ufama ama cabbages and all those vegetables yabo.
Yes.
So ngakhuluma naye ngathi mina ndoda phela since uyangibona nami ngibusy yabo. Wathi no ngawari ngaloko yabo. Wakhuluma actually uya-supply nase-Roots yabo. So wakhuluma nale boss yalapha e-Roots yabo.
Yeah.
So it's the boss, no, it's fine yabo. Lo muntu as-communicate asitshela ukuthi yena so ready konke seku-right yabo. Thina sifuna inamba leso masicala yabo. So in that way I can say i-market vele ngayithola or ngiyitholile uyakubona.
So wait, so does that mean ukuthi vele when it comes to roots, usually like through previous episodes that we have done, we found out ukuthi vele there's a usual central office that speaks for all the shops in the brand. So does it mean that when it goes to Roots as a brand, bona Selufu, when you want to supply Roots Kamacegeza, you speak to Roots Kamacegeza, they don't give you some email address or some guy who's based in Cape Town or Joburg and ukhuluma.
Okay, in that way ngicabanga ukuthi if ngiya angisho each and every shop in a manager.
Yeah.
Yabo, and each and every department in a owner yalendzawo yabo. So if ngafika maybe laba busy khona ku enyameni ngithola imanager lapha ngikhulume naye. In that way ngathola any way forward ukuthi how can I reach kule level yokuthi ngicine ngibe ne agreement thide nale company yabo all in all yabona. So kufuneka vele ngikhulume nebana abaphambili kunami yabo, of which ngilabantu labasebenza kuphi lapha eRoots njengema owner or ma supervisor and staff yabo. Ngibo labangakhona ukuthi bangine a full information regarding ukuthi ngenda njani yabo, ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngisupply lelo yabo.
Okay, ngiyakuthola boy. So when do you think you're going to be ready to actually service that particular market? No, I'm only asking because I want you to use the Roots as a stepping stone.
Yeah.
But we cannot start talking about ShopRite if you have not beaten the Roots. And what about Pick and Pay? What about Checkers? What about Woolies? It's a stepping stone. So when are you putting your foot on that first step?
Kwamanje ngasho ukuthi because I'm currently busy ku certain plot lengiyithengile yabo. So ngabeka a period of 3 to 4 years ngaba sengready ukuthi ngasupplier e-Roots yabo.
Okay.
Because I still need to grow.
And I hear you.
Yabo, ku business value you need to grow first before you expand.
You need to walk before you run.
Yes,
and you're still in the crawling phase of things.
Yes, so I still need ma facilities yadokhona ukungi-assista ngikhole ukukhula nami because angeke ngikhula ngiyi-one, so like yabo impossible or it takes time kahle ukuthi ukhule yabo. So vele ngiyofuna sandla listokhona ukuthi singi-assist, it's okay. Normally sinye sandla singi-assist ngikhona ukuthi ngiphambili yabo. So in that way ngizokhona ukuthi ngisheshe ngifike ukuthi ngikhona kusheshe ngifike kule goal ukuthi in 4 years time or 3 years time kufuna ngibe ngisengiready to supply e-Roots yabo.
So according to you, do you think udzinga i-funding or i-support?
According to me, both sides, i-funding and support.
Okay.
Because I can say i-support or i-funding it's kind of support. Yabo.
No, but what I'm saying is that do you need help from parastatals, government entities, or NEF and the NYDA and all that nonsense, or do you just want the people to start buying from you?
No, actually funding is needed because everything it's about money. Without money you cannot grow. Yabona. We cannot grow, and actually even the feeding program it costs a lot. The vaccination program it costs a lot, yabo. So always vele ifuna any imali, yabo. So angeke kungikhona ukukhula ngaphandle kwemali. Obviously I need funding.
The funding.
Thereafter sichamuka lani the support le yabo makhelwane
And all of that.
yabona.
You know, kune this rumor ukuthi pig farming it's actually expensive. What do you feel about that?
From me kahle kahle it's a lie. Pig farming is not expensive. Yabo. It depends on how you farm. Yabona. Because even if when yourself you want to start a pig farm, you can start it as long as you have maybe 2,000 rand. Yabona. You can start pig farming. Yabo. Hence I'm saying it depends on you on how you farm. Yabo. Because mina nawe angeke sifame kufana, yabo. I will be expecting a high production, yabo, when you just need to farm, yabo. So pig farming it's very cheap compared to any other kind of farming, yabo. Pig farming is very cheap because if I can maybe build a certain structure using my woods and my iron sheets, yabo, my tile, yabo, it's easier for me to say ngifake ingulube tamhlala party cool, yabo.
That's it.
So if ufuna kufama any maybe poultry kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Poultry it needs actually a lot of requirements. Yabo. The structure must be actually consecutive and secured.
That's
yabo.
true.
So kufuna kube electricity. Electricity needs money.
Yes.
Tingulube atfuni.
No, they don't need
yabo.
light. They
Yabo.
don't need.
Even if they need it, but it's not compulsory. Yabo. You can farm without electricity. But it's compulsory. You need to have any electricity. So it's poultry farming is expensive compared to any pig farming.
You know, I know ukuthi vele from personal experience ukuthi vele the biggest cost when it comes to running a piggery, it's the feed.
Yeah.
How do you get around that? How do you save money and still get high production?
Okay, in that question, kulula because the moment mina ngiba ne feeding program liyami ngicreate leyona ukuthi if ever tingulube tami ngidodlisa so I can be able to save, yabona. So ngifeed ukuthi maybe mangithenga maybe 10 bags, yabona.
10 bags
of pig grower.
Okay.
Yeah. 10 bags of pig grower. Maybe ngelanga actually ngidinika like 2 ekseni nzambama. During the day ngiba nema supplements whereby ngithola inima banana from Mawekro.
Yes.
There's a farm there that gives me mama banana, yabo. Even my vegetables, my cabbages and stuff, yabo. During the day nginika lokho tikhona kwenda ngidle lokho, yabo. So in that case foods I'm also enhancing the production, the quality of the carcass, yabo. Because the more you overfeed is the more you lose.
That is true.
Yes.
That is true because they develop fat,
yes,
not muscle.
Yabo. So ingulube ayifuni ukuthi ibe nemafutha, yabo. Ufuna at least provide a high quality of meat, yabo. So in that case mina ngisebenzisa feeding program yami ngedwa, yabo. Ukuthi angifuni to overfeed noma ngatekela tilambe during the day, but I know ukuthi at night maybe ngabo 6 7 ngidinga ukudla tiyadla natsamandi tiyalala, yabo. And the good thing that you can do dineke ini kudla natsamandla la clean.
That's it.
Yabo.
What do you say to those people labathi labanye labanethi ingulube ne? Mara batinika niba labathi ingulube idla konke kwawe.
That's nonsense.
So uthini kulo muntu loyo labathi ingulube mara uthi hlohla tingwa tinsila bathi ingulube la ihlala khona kuyanuka ingulube.
No.
Idla konke. What do you say to that?
Okay, kulabantu labathi ingulube idla konke. It's not good ukuthi bamilele le mentality, babe nale mentality ukuthi ingulube idla konke. Ingulube, you must take ingulube as a baby or a child, uyabona. Umntwana ngeke umnike kudla konke lokutholwako nje ukuthi nawo ukudla dlana, uyabona. Angeke umnike kudla lokubolile, for instance, angeke akhule ngalokudla lokho, yakubona. Otherwise toba ne disability ukuthi angakhula kahle, yakubona, deficiency, yabo. So kulaba limi labo into le bangayi-avoida vele ukuthi banike leti ngulube lokudla lokubolile, because I know lento loyikhulumayo lokubuta yona ikhona. Bantu bathola babeke emabhakede emakhaya, even nale bengikhona khona ecampusini, yabo, emakhaya vele bengisemakhaya nyana. Babeka amabhakede emakhaya ukuthi benteni abafake ikhoko leta, yabo. And lo it stays about maybe a week before collect, and after that sekuba sekuphume matibungu, yakubona, sekubolile already, and they cause any bad smell, yakubona. If ufike ukufaka esibayeni njoba kunjalo cause any bad smell, kona kutodla ingulube ayinankinga njoba uthi wona idla konke, ngisho uyanika vele, ayina plan, ayina choice futhi, uyayinika. So if ever ufuna kwenda njalo, mina ngakutshela ukuthi at least zama ukuthi at least lokudla lokho makucollect ube ne container thide whereby utofika ukuboile, yakubona. Mawuboila ukhila lama germs la lapha, yabo, uyabulala vele ama germs, sangabe nema germs. Ingulube masedla ama germs laphilako is something else, because it affects the growth kahle kahle, yabo. So kungcono letingi kwatingcono tona nangabe ukuthi maybe batlanza maybe bo bakery sase fresh, yakubona. Ma vegetables bangawo collect, it's fine, asase fresh they are, yabona. But mara lokuthi kudla kuhlala emabhayitini after a week ba collect, lokho ku wrong vele, because ingulube yakhe angeke be held. You are trying ingulube maybe tinabo almost 8 months, mara mawubuka ngathi ina 3 months 2 months, yabona. It's because of lokudla labakunikayo lapha, yabo. Lokudla akukho healthy vele, umntwana ngeke akhule ngudla lokubolile vele nje. So uthatha lokwa as muntu, yabo.
And actually, in terms of anatomy yetingulube, they are more human in terms of what they eat. They eat exactly what we eat. We eat vegetables. They love vegetables. We eat meat. They eat meat. People don't know that pigs eat meat.
Yeah.
So, Bon, Thulani, who are your current customers?
Actually, the market that I have is the community.
Okay.
Yeah, the current market is the community, whereby if I have a pig or pigs that are on sale, I actually publish them on Facebook, YouTube, and obviously on Google.
So how do you sell them to the community? Do you kalisa or like? And by the way, how does an actual animal become on sale? Because it's a pila lento. How is it? You know, anyway, yeah.
No, maybe it's the way we say it, yabona.
Yeah.
It's on sale. It's not actually on sale, yabo.
Yeah.
But ngendlela sijwayele ngayo sikhuluma ngakhona thina, yabo.
Yeah.
Shothi ngiyathengisa, yabo, it's on sale. On ngendlela ama customer ma understand ngabe ngithi ingulube on sale na ngiyayithengisa, yabo.
Yeah.
So in terms of kuthengisa kwami, ngiyathengisa ingulube ephilako, even the piglets, yabona. Even the full grown pigs ready for slaughter. So even a kalisa, ngiyakala kg per it's 60 rand per kg.
How much?
60 rand per kg. Nginayo ini weighing scale ngithekile na khona la.
So no budget.
Yabo. So kubalula kanjalo, because mangabe sengibulele ngiyenda ngislice le nyama, angidideki ukuthi manje le nyama lengiyoyikala kanjani, yakubona. Ne weighing scale ngithengile, yabo.
So wait, my guy, it sounds to me like on your staff compliment. How do you have people under Ngabane Piggery right now?
Actually, I cannot say I have, yabona, because
but you have on your support system.
Yeah, it's on a support system I have, but not officially, yabona.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm planning to do so.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, I have to start somewhere.
Yes, sir.
Yabo. So kwamanje vele ya ukhona loyo wando nokungasista vele, because I'm full time.
Yeah, I'm coming definitely to that. I'll tell you, we are spanning right now. You have a normal 9 to 5 like the rest of us, and you also have a functional pig farm at the same damn time. and you are flourishing on both. So is it something that you would recommend somebody else would do, or vele wena usuke uhlanye?
No, the thing is, ne, thina abantu sihlukile. There are people who are able to multitask.
Yeah.
Yabona, i-multitasking ibalekile ukuthi you can do two things at the same time.
Yeah.
Yabona. Actually angeke ngithi ngizoba khona etingulubeni ngibe khona emsebenzini same time. Angikhulumi lokho. Ngisho ukuthi I can do farming meanwhile I'm working.
Yes.
Yabo, somewhere. So in that way ngiyakhona ukuthi mangibuya make sure ukuthi ngiyadibona le tinto ti right etingulube.
Yes.
Yabo, make sure ukuthi konke right. In that way ngisho ukuthi ngiyenda both side. Ngiyabalancisa in-equation left and right, yabo. Angisho ngiyavuka emsebenzini mangibuya ufuna ngicheke ngala ukuthi konke ku right na. Yabona. So in that case angeke ngithi mina umuntu uyahlanya noma akahlanya nangabe angakhona ukwenda i-multitasking.
Yeah.
Yabo. Kudependa ngemuntu ukuthi umuntu wakhona unjani, yabo. Nami mina esayidini lami I'm able to do that because even esikhathi ngisase out nje ngisasigela emabhondwe ngipasa ngala vele yawonje ngemjida, yabo. So yeah, nje lokho nje, yabo, base bakubuthi maye upasa njani wena ngale kujora. It's no.
Prioritize.
Yeah, uya prioritize, yakubona. Isikhathi sakho you need to maintain it kahle kahle, yabo, ube ne time management mawenda something, yabo.
Yeah.
So njalo vele like, yabo.
Ngiyakuthola bona. You know, the biggest question lenginayo mina, and ngicabange when we were on our way here today, ukuthi vele like lo mfo uhlala quite close to the Kruger Park, and I know ukuthi vele the Kruger Park inema warthogs, and he farms in pigs, and all the training that I know, these two animals cannot be in the same geographical area at the same time because ayagulisana. How do you get around that? Like baga agriculture bafika kuwe bakutshela what measures are you taking ukuthi vele ngcabane engaqale a whole epidemic nje le
Yeah,
over.
le question yakho na ibalekile kakhulu. Ingiletha la kwe vaccination program, yabona. I make sure ukuthi I buy each and every medication that is needed, yabona, for le tingulube, yabo. Ukuthi nangabe dinenkinga emanyokane nama roundworms, I know ukuthi kufanele ngi vaccinate 3 times in a consecutive days, yabona.
Yes.
Mangabe tine shortage or tine iron deficiency, kufanele
Jova nge
yeah, ngifaka le iron le umjovo iron. Nangabe kune sifo, because I'm always doing investigation, yabo. Nangabe ukuthi okay, nangabe bathi kunesifo esiso setingulube, yabo. I make sure ukuthi because sometimes ba publish, yabo. So I try ama publication athi kunesifo esiphumile siso setingulube. Sike saphuma I think 2 years back or 3 years back. I can't remember.
Yeah, no, I remember that.
So I make sure ukuthi ngiba ready for anything, yabo. Sikhona even isifo setinguku. So sivele tinguku matifika vele bathi msungube inankwadi kona lokho, yabo. So nami lwetungulube same thing. I make sure ukuthi ngihlala ngiready for anything. Nangabe ukuthi toba nenkinga thita vele angisho nemntana bathi umgomisela umjovo isifo lesitako, bathi ngisifo lesitako for abantwana ufuna mlagomise and stuff, yabo. So now I do that, yabo, ukuthi at least it be safe.
Yes.
Nangabe kufika le sifo leso, yabo.
Okay. Kwamanje una how many sows and how many boars?
Kwamanje I have 4 sows and 2 boars. The reason why is because I'm currently busy with a certain project.
Yes.
Whereby la ngithenga khona le plot.
Yeah.
I'm building a house, actually 2-room house, yabona.
Yeah.
For me ukuthi ngizoba ngikhona le kulenzayo, yabona.
Yeah, vele.
Yeah, so because angeke ngitakhele hlala edodwana.
No, you need storage. You
Yes.
need somebody vele to hlala lapho.
Yes, so I'm currently doing that, so to maintain ilo inzaba ema coast, yabo. Nami ngathi julu under pressure, yabo. Ngcono ngithengisile letinye vele because I was about having 28.
Okay.
Yeah, sangathengisa letinye vele angasista khona le ukuthi khona ukuthi
Khona vele ukuthenga
security lenzawo, yabona, yeah.
Ngiyakuthola.
So yeah, kwamanje ngisadlala kule 6, yabo.
Okay, no kuyavakala bafowethu. So my guy, have you considered artificial insemination or having a ball vele is the good way to go?
Okay, in terms of AI ne artificial insemination,
Yeah.
uh it's a good thing, yabona, whereby you need to make sure kahle kahle if when the AI, yabo, AI nayo inema complications somehow if you don't know how to do it.
Yes.
Yabo, discussing ngise campus sike saya I think it's Ladenburg.
Yes.
Yeah, Coromandel farm, something like that. Yabo. Basikhombisile i-AI but we were doing it kuma kettles.
Yes.
Yabona. So I've never seen anyone do AI kulo
Good pigs.
pigs, but it's there.
No, no.
Yabo, and it's effective. Yabo. And in that case, kuba lula because you choose which cement type you need. Yabo. If you need cement type ya Jurok,
Yes.
yabo, you
Then
buy
You
it.
buy it.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna inseminate it maybe large white.
Yes.
Therefore you combine two breeds.
You
Yabo.
create your own.
Yes, you create
Yes,
your
sir.
own, yabo. So if you find island race, you can
Yes.
buy it, yabo. You file Jurok,
Yes.
yabo. You crossbreed,
Yes.
yabo. So AI nayo, I'm thinking of going for it because I registered somewhere. I forgot the name, but if ngahamba ifoni name, I can get it, yabo.
Yeah.
Whereby they sell mama semen,
Yes.
yabo, but using AI available, yabo. So I'm actually planning to do it as time goes on because if mboga ipoor, hey, tough lento
It is
edla
tough.
kakhulu,
Yes.
yabo, yamosha. That's why most farmers they actually castrate,
Yeah.
yabo.
I was gonna ask, which will usually with the piggeries that I have had access to, go by now one ball
Yeah,
for 4 to 10
yeah,
sows. So when now you've got 2 balls, or the other one fell into your Christmas, you cool for Christmas.
yeah. It's for Christmas.
It's for Christmas that one.
Yeah.
I know, yeah, forgot.
Yeah, well, but I'm planning to do castration. I know all of those things like my steps are yabona.
Yeah.
It's easier because when I vele mangifuna always castrate as early as it is born. Yabo, 3 days after birth, I do castration.
Yes.
I do teach clipping
Yes.
lama
Yeah.
tinyo, yabo. So that into avoid any cannibalism.
Yes.
Yeah, cannibalism is right because mase tlambile pa twas at limatana.
No, no, vele kuyadlana, like
So-
literally so.
So castration vele yona I'm thinking to go for it because ibhuwa idla kakhulu compared to iso, yabo.
Yeah.
And inebudlova if ingafaka kudla so ngithi tiyodla tonke, we will find out ukuthi ibhuwa yokusala yodwa ishaya le talethi
yeah,
and
so-
yona iba nemtimba
power
lomkhulu,
vele,
yabona. So uyatshaya vele dlala ledzina, yabo. So in terms of castration, and the castration nangenta yona at least ne food consumption itoba less
Iba less,
because angisho mayidla ikhulisa itikhwama,
Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
Itikhwama takhona vele kuthiwa se
Dude, like so
Yeah.
good.
yeah.
That's
So
true. That is
so
true.
i-castration ivimbela lokho ukuthi at least kungasabi ne-production, yabo. Leti ngulube tasodikhulisela for inyama kahle kahle.
Ngiyakuthola.
Awusa expect ukuthi lo mjida agibele lo make, yabo.
No, ngiyakuthola,
Yeah.
ngiyakuthola. Do you have existing relationships with my abattoirs around you? Have you considered that as a market to
Yeah,
go to?
yeah, I have abattoir eMzinti.
Yes, Mzinti.
Yeah, there's an abattoir laphana. It's just that kwamanje bona badila ngekhethle. So I haven't actually checked ukuthi in terms of ingulube banayo access yayo, and because kubhizi kakhulu mandiya lapha, so I'm not sure ukuthi mandiya inyama engulube nayo bahambisana njani, yakubona. So babhizi kakhulu ngani ngekhethle, yabo. That's what I know ngabo lapha, yabo. But if ever ngifuna ukwathi more information, it's easier for me. I can even go there to do any consultation, ngibona ukuthi can I be assisted or what, yabo, if ngifuna kuba supply and stuff.
Sorry, Tulani, silly question, but now it just hit me like a train. How are you getting your pigs? If let's just say you go to Mzinti, but yeah, sure, Bafanas, we've been looking for a pig farmer. How would you get your pigs there?
Yeah, in terms of transportation.
Yes, because there's a specific way that you move live animals, and the Department of Agriculture comes in. You need a permit. They need to be quarantined a week before Tihamba. They need to be there on the day Tihamba. Yeah. So how would you get your 15 pigs to market tomorrow if we were there?
In that case, I think vele njengoba manje ngisa struggleisha nge-transportation
Yeah.
yabo, vele I actually asked someone ulone maybe ne-transport reliable transport kahle kahle ngilokhona ukuthi ngiyisebenzise
Yes.
yabo to transport in leti ngulube. It's either tiyaphila or atiphili yabo. If ever tingaphili nakhona it's easier mina nale market siya communicate okay maybe uthi ufuna tiphila yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, so nangabe athi ufuna tiphila it's fine tuhamba tiphila, mara ma athi ufuna tifile it's fine nakhona tuhamba tifila athole le package yonke.
Wait, which breed do you prefer and why?
Okay, in terms of breed or breeds, I can say the most reliable breed that I use or that I can use if I were given Ichirok
Yeah.
and Large White
Yes.
and Landrace, the only three breeds.
Yes.
There's high meat production kule ma breeds lawa.
Yes.
Even though Ichirok it's more powerful when it comes to meat production compared to the other two Landrace and Large White.
Yes.
I-Large White ivame kuba nemafutha kakhulu nangabe ufama ngayo, so it's easier ukuthi ube ku-loss man now busy nge-Large White yabo. But i-Duroc vele I can assure you ukuthi vele lapha there's high quality meat production yabo. So I prefer kufama nge-Duroc ne-Large White or i-Landrace. Even the whole South Africa, even commercial farmers in South Africa,
Yes.
they prefer those breeds.
Those three
I know ukona Bohemshire
Yeah.
stuff vele nje. There are many pig breeds lo ungawathola yabo.
Yes.
But it depends ukuthi wena.
Dude, you know what I've actually realized. Here you are talking, and I'm busy asking myself questions. I love dogs, mina ne? And you know, there's not a single dog food brand that uses pork for protein. It makes you wonder, what do they do with all the byproducts? Yeah, pork meat from abattoir stage.
Yeah, into lokumele yade kahle kahle is that lo lama parts lamanye aleti ngulube vele they cannot actually make one thing yabona, especially kunamancina kunanani yabona lapha nalamafutha wona itself, even the skin itself yabo.
Yeah.
Some they use the skin, I think Woolworths sell skin se pork
Yeah.
yabona, but kuluza kuenda ukuthi uluze i-weight stuff yabona.
Okay.
Yeah, mancina obvious siwafaka emabhontshisi vela kuna plan,
Yeah.
so sibhizi ngawo kakhulu yabo. So mafutha wona la lapha because there's a liquid oil lephuma straight. Some they cook it yabona and maybe preserve it in a certain container, iba iyacina lento yabo. So they used to fry maybe anything
It's lard.
yeah
It's
yabona.
called lard.
Yes yabo. So toti nguruve vele nje wona lamathumbu straight mathumbu wona lama intestine. Some of the people they eat lamathumbu yabo, they call it ma chitlins.
Yeah.
Yeah, chitlins. If you can check Google, it can tell you yabo. They are able to cook it very nice.
Yes.
Even though I've never ate them before, but
Yeah, no, it's
so
to each their own, my guy.
but there are some people who eat the matumbu, even the liver itself. Liver ngile ngayidla yona yayo yabo. So even other parts they can still eat them yabo.
Okay. So, my guy, what does the future hold for Ngabane Pigai? What's the game plan? What's the end game? Siago in the next 5 years.
Actually, I want to see Ngabane in a map in 5 years to come. I don't actually wish to see myself working for someone except for the company
Yes.
of my own.
Yes.
I want to be my own boss and stay at home, let people make money for me
Yes.
in Ngamade yabona.
I get you.
So in that case I need to do hard work kahle kahle.
Yes.
I need to pay more attention, focus on growing the company, yakubona.
Yes.
Make sure ukuthi ngireacha le goal. I-goal is a certain thing le uyisetha ukuthi in 5 years to come or in 3 years to come ngifuna kube ngi-achieve something lefana nale. So I have to make sure ukuthi I stick to my goals, yabo.
Yes.
Because if I don't stick to my goals, I will still continue saying ukuthi yeah, I want to see Ngcabane growing, I want to see Ngcabane growing without anything, yabo.
Yeah.
So the reason why I'm currently busy with that plot is because I have a goal
Yes.
where I want to see this Ngcabane going, yabo, in 5 years to come.
How big is the current the future property? I know Vele, you said you are in the growing phase, manje. So the one that you just acquired, how big is it?
It's 64 meter by 28.
Do you plan on having slaughtering facilities on it, or that's in the
Yeah.
future plan, not necessarily future plan?
As for starter, yes, because everything must start there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then I will grow.
Yes.
Yeah, so I cannot say I cannot plan to have a slaughterhouse and other maybe facilities. Lapa. I need to have those things there
Yes.
so that when I grow, I will know ukuthi ngiqale kuphi.
Yebo.
Yabona. It will be some branches lengidowavula somewhere somehow.
Yes.
Yabona. But I plant yakhona ikuphi lapha.
Yes.
Yes. Yabona. So injalo lento.
Tulani, do you feel like we left something out, something that you wanted to put a spotlight on in terms of who you are, what you do, and all that jazz?
No, I think what I can say is that I am proud to be an Ehlanzeni TVET graduate, especially in Mthimba campus,
Yes.
where I got or I acquired the information regarding farming
Yes.
itself, yabona. So I am very much happy ukuthi ngithole leli thuba lokufika kule sikolo ngafunza ngathola le information le, and then I use the information that I got there, yabo.
Yes.
So I want to thank each and everyone lo supportile in terms of information or anything, any support kahle kahle lengitholile banginike yona, even la ekhaya
Yes.
nawo banginikela i-support, basanginika namanje support, even agogo nayo sanginika i-support. Always yangibuta manje kuhamba njani, ngisaye ku-right gogo ngisalungisa, yabona. So the support is still there and I'm very thankful for that, yabo. Even thank you to you guys ukuthi nikhonela ukuthi nifike into buta nje kahle kahle sicoca ngale business, because it makes me happy and it actually grows my mind ukuthi this thing is serious, man. I must take it serious now, yabo. I cannot be staying in front of people listening to me ngaphandle ukuthi ayiserious. I-serious shows vele I make sure ukuthi ba serious vele kahle kahle, yabo.
Ngiyakuthola my guy. Ngiyakuthola guy. Okay, ladies and gents, it's been another exciting episode. Thank goodness Ngomas is cooler than I thought it would be. But mangicokele the weather, and I thought the black top was gonna kill, but that we all made it through. So yeah, PS, thank you for the t-shirt sales that they have been flowing through. Tulani even ordered one as well. So thanks for the love, my guy. Feel it. We feel it.
Yeah.
So yeah. Tulani, how do people get a hold of you? Whether for sales, possible sponsorship, possible mentorship? You never know where this episode is gonna go. So I'm assuming that it's going out to the universe with a good, kind heart and warm and fuzzy feelings. So I'm expecting the best to come back from it. So how do people get a hold of you? Give us all your socials, numbers, all that jazz.
It's very easy to find me on social media. It's Pig Farmer Slow Poison. Pig Farmer Slow Poison. Vele khola petulu. Or you can even follow my page at Ngcabane's Pig Farming Legacy Pty Ltd on Facebook. Or go YouTube, it's also Ngcabane's Pig Farming Legacy Pty Ltd. The cell phone number is 071 111 5241. My email address or my business address is Ngcabane's Pig Farming Legacy at gmail.com. Ngitholakala lapho mfethu, ngibonge kakhulu, sobonana khona lapha.
Ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And actually, more than anything else, it's impossible that you guys agree with everything that I say while on the mic. So if I put a foot wrong, let me know. Comment. let me know. Good to like I'll tell Lana bo better, but I'm gonna flop or you said it with a kind spirit, so we understand you can't know everything. So yeah. Set me straight so that we can all go together. This is all about growth for all of us, not just me. Inside the Mambela, your boy, your grand out.